Сәлем, сәлеметсіз бе? Менің атым Джоsh. Hi, my name is Josh, and this is my first video trying to teach myself Kazakh. I've been to Kazakhstan once already, and when I come back, I plan to speak Kazakh. How about you follow me on my language journey? Don't forget to like and subscribe. My goal is to reach a strong conversational level in Kazakh, much like my Russian level. I'm going to use both my native language, English, American English, and Russian to help me learn Kazakh. I don't need a perfect pronunciation, but I do want everybody to be able to understand me when I speak Kazakh. Here's my action plan. I'm first going to focus on the Kazakh alphabet because I want to know how to read Kazakh words in Kazakh. Then I'm going to focus on basic phrases and words. And eventually, I'm going to progress to even more phrases. My two primary tools are going to be flashcards and an app called Tandem. Tandem allows people to have conversations in other languages, hopefully with native speakers. That's my goal, is to speak Kazakh with people from Kazakhstan. One way I was able to master Russian as well as I have is through speaking and speaking and speaking, never being afraid to speak or make mistakes. Let's get this started. I have the Kazakh letters. I have an English equivalent to that sound. English often has a different sound for the same letter, and so sometimes I need a context word to help me know which sound I need to make. And let's start creating a vocabulary. We have some Kazakh words and some translations. Let's go. This one is ah. I should be able to remember it because Russian ah also has one sound. But the English a has more than one sound. I need to remember the ah as in father. Alma, alma. Tell me if I'm pronouncing these right. Apple. Ah, ah. I hope that's close. As in apple. Eje, eje, eje. I hope that's close. Grandma. B, 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 b. Bala, bala. Remember, tell me if these are right. V, v, as in vokzal, vokzal. By the way, how is my writing? Does it look pretty good? G, g, gul, gul, flower. I believe this is g, g, galum, galum, scientist. De, de, dop, dop. Ye, yesik, yesik, door. Je, je. Jolchu, jolchu. I think I need to practice on that one. Pretty important for the Kazakh culture, I believe. Ze, ze. Zomoron, zomoran, zomoran. rocket. E, eat, dog. Tell me, I can write this in Russian to make a te. Can you do it in Kazakh also? Yogurt, should be an easy one. K, kitab, book. This is going to be difficult for me as an English speaker because these are almost identical sounds in American English. But I believe this is more of a ch, as in Chazak. Hummus, I believe. Lach, a kid. M, musach, cat. N, naan, bread. Ing, anshu, hunter. Alright, here's the last half of the alphabet. Some of these are the absolute most difficult for me, but some of them are also extremely simple. Let's go. O, orunduk, wo, horik, apricot, bill, elephant, bell, Raushan, rose, S, Sәлем, tas. Here come the difficult ones for me. Uhalal, as in book. It's the way I say book. Does that sound like Ushach, plain. Urek. F, football, as in American soccer. Hot, letter. I understand that this is a rare ch, but also a ch. Gauhar, diamond. Ch, champion. Sh, shursha. Sh, щетка. Udus. Eremşek. You, ayu. Ya. Hoyan. I know there's a few other letters that are borrowed from Russian that are rarely used, like ts, the myaky znak and the tvrdy znak, but I didn't include those because I already know them from Russian. I want to take a moment to thank a YouTube channel that has been helpful to me so far. It's Kazakh language with Janur. If anybody can contact her to contact me to help me, that would be perfect. Okay, everybody, how do you think I did? Pretty good? I think I need some more work. In the comments, leave some more examples for me, and maybe in my next video, I'll try and say those words that you guys suggest for me. Thanks. Rahmet.